Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quick follow-up video on how I charge my stuff when I'm going on a motor trip. In my last video I explained how I solved the problem of charging a lot of USB devices on the go, because I like to be self-sufficient when I'm on the road. Today I want to show you how I do it in detail. Right, so let's have a look at all the stuff I take with me on a trip. Over here, let's start with my mobile phone. I always have that goes without saying. My laptop to stay in touch with my family and keep an eye on stuff goes on at work. Camera for my helmet, point and shoot camera, GoPro, battery packs, my intercoms will go on the helmet, battery pack with starter for my motorbike, and then I have all these batteries I have to charge on the go. And this is normally where all the problems start. But fear not, I show you. This is the charging point I have in my tank bag. I showed you that before. So I use that to charge all my equipment as I go along. Right, the 12-volt output on my charging point is really handy to charge this device, my battery pack, and obviously on the battery pack itself I have two USB outs, one with 1 amp and one with 2 amp, and a 12-volt output I use for my laptop. Obviously you have the usual light, but the most important thing for me is really to be able to fire up my motorbike if the battery is flat. Charging all that equipment can get a bit messy with all these cables and with these chargers who have been never intended for you to be on the go with, because all you do is put your battery in there and they should stand on the flat surface on the table. Let me show you 2 hacks I implemented on my stuff who makes it a super reliable and easy solution to work with. Hack number 1, rubber bands. The old classic. To prevent your batteries falling out of the charger, all you have to do is put a rubber band around it and it keeps them in place. And them secured like that will stop them flying around in your tank bag. Number 2, dual lock. Dual lock is my friend. Let me show you how I secure everything so nothing falls around in my tank bag. I mounted a long strip of dual lock here on my battery pack, and all my devices pretty much and all the chargers have some dual lock attached to it. Here you can see it on battery pack for my Sony batteries. This is for my GoPros, they have it on the bottom. My 360 cameras, my auxiliary batteries for my helmet cams. So everything got dual lock on it. But what it allows you to do is to get really organized. In my tank bag I have this on permanent charge because that's for me the most important item. So what I do is I have, for example, my GoPro charger, and I just click the GoPro charger to my battery pack. Same with the 360 charger, click on, or if I need to, one of my auxiliary batteries. If you do this, nothing flies around in your tank bag and it's truly secured. One other thing you can do is, for example, have 2 devices and you just click them together. It also helps to keep your wires in order, because there's nothing more annoying than having the whole tank bag full of cables. All you do is connect your cable and connect it to your charging point, and still everything is in one place. Now I have taken care of all my batteries I have to charge during the travel and the ride. Now I have to take care of my equipment, what I have to charge when I'm in camp. And this is when my battery pack comes really handy. When I'm in camp I only have 3 devices really to take care of. One is my mobile phone, my intercom system and my laptop. And they all charge from my battery pack or my starter pack. Now the starter pack is a 12,000 milliamp battery. That is plenty to charge absolutely everything here and still have enough power in an emergency to start my motorbike. So charging the devices obviously for my power pack couldn't be simpler. You just connect them via a cable, put them in the proper socket, switch it on, and you're charging. When it comes to my laptop, I have a slightly different adaptation to my normal setup. Obviously, I just can't plug it right into the USB board. What I have here is a 27 watt Belkin charger, USB-C to USB-C. So all I have to do is my Belgian 27 watt car adapter goes in here, USB-C cable straight into my laptop and connect to my power bank, and as you can see, it's charging perfect. Now there is enough juice in that to charge my laptop 3 to 4 times without problems, but keeping in mind, A, I don't use it that much, and B, that gets charged whenever I'm moving with my motorbike. One important thing to remember is really the power requirements of your laptop. This laptop needs 24 watt to charge, so a normal USB charger wouldn't do the trick, but the high power one you get for about 25 to 30 pound on Amazon works brilliantly. With this setup, I'm totally independent from any power outlet. In the past, I used to travel with my normal power adapter for my laptop, but these days I don't anymore because it has proven itself to work absolutely brilliantly. One last thing I want to say about this little Belkin unit is, because of the 27 watt, it's excellent to quick charge your mobile phone. Hey guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it answered a few questions. If I can be of any help, just leave a message in the comment section below. I'm now away for a week in Ireland. I hope I can post some photos and some videos during my trip. Otherwise, I see you next week. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and give it a thumbs up. Every little helps. And don't forget, ride safe.